Hey there, welcome to this new video. Alfredo here. Today we'll cover API calls and automations. So we can go on automations, connect and follow up. And here we can hit the plus button whenever we feel that it's the best part of the process, let's say. And we can go and call API. So here you can simply go on the documentation of the platform you want to integrate within your flow. I'll just use this one, which is like an unofficial WhatsApp API, just to show you how you can leverage it. And there will be a video later down the line on how you can integrate this WhatsApp integration onto your platform to basically then add a follow-up step and go even further down the multi-channel path by adding also other tools. So here I can see that the request is a post request. Here I just put post, then endpoint. I can put the endpoint here, just send message copy. Now, it will tell me basically what should I do. So H is header and D is data. So what we want to do is in H, in the headers, we just authorization. Where is it? Headers. Let's just add another one. And the other one is called content type. Okay. Now, what we want to do is here you want to paste application.json for the content type. While for authorization, it will be bearer, and then the API token that you will get in the platform. Of course, you can get API tokens which are basically, let's say that they're like passwords within your account. Usually they're either in the settings or in the integration section of the app that you're using. Now, D usually refers to the body. Here they just want two of them, so it's like two in text. So here we could just do 2, then text. And basically here we should put the phone number. It also tells us what phone number type. And then here we just put the text like hi or something like that. Hi. Here we can put the mobile phone and then we just hit create. Now what we just did is after sending the first message, if they don't reply, we are going to send them a WhatsApp message before sending another LinkedIn message. Now, just hitting plus here, we could add a time delay just for the sake of not sending too many things all at once. Let's just add like 3 days, create. And by doing so, you could leverage at best this thing. So you could use this to change also statuses within GetSales for the leads, because GetSales also has a CRM functionality. You could do this to change status leads in your pipeline on Attio, Salesforce, HubSpot, any CRM, as long as it offers APIs. And you can essentially automate practically any step of your process. You could even add leads to a newsletter, let's say, if they reply positively to one of your messages, or add another follow-up sequence through a tool that sends them GIFs. I'm just throwing everything possible out there. But essentially now, thanks to API calls, you are practically you have the possibility to integrate with anything that offers APIs. So you could also automatically call people. There's really endless possibilities. And I just thank you very much. And I will be seeing you in the next video. Peace.